A healthy diet is crucial for maintaining prostate health and lowering the risk of related issues. As men age, their prostate tissue naturally enlarges, potentially leading to problems like inflammation, poor urinary health, and even prostate cancer. Diet significantly impacts overall health and hormone balance, which in turn affects prostate health. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 foods to avoid for optimal prostate health and explore how an anti-inflammatory diet can help prevent prostate-related problems. We'll also offer guidance on supporting prostate health through wise food choices and a healthy lifestyle. Why prostate health matters. Reproductive role. The prostate gland produces the fluid part of semen, which nourishes and transports sperm, making it essential for male fertility. Urinary health. Located near the bladder and urethra, the prostate's health directly impacts urinary functions. An inflamed or unhealthy prostate can lead to urination difficulties and discomfort. Prostate disorders. Understanding prostate health includes reducing the risk of common issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) and prostate cancer. General well-being. Maintaining a healthy prostate is vital for quality of life. Prostate problems can cause pain, discomfort, and emotional stress. Common prostate-related issues. As men get older, prostate issues become more frequent, often disrupting daily life with various symptoms. Common conditions include inflammation, prostatitis. Swelling of the prostate gland can cause pain, fever, and difficulty urinating. Enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Non-cancerous swelling of the prostate can lead to frequent urination, weak urine flow, and trouble emptying the bladder. Prostate cancer. One of the most common cancers in men globally, prostate cancer may exhibit symptoms similar to BPH. Early detection and management are crucial for a positive outcome. By making informed food choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can support your prostate health and reduce the risk of these common issues. How does diet impact prostate health? The food we eat influences various biochemical processes in our body, affecting everything from hormone balance to cell health. By understanding how different foods impact prostate health, we can make better dietary choices to support it. Here's how diet can influence prostate health. Its effect on inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury and infection, aiming to protect and heal. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including prostate issues. Diets high in refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and processed foods can increase inflammation. Conversely, eating anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, berries, and green veggies can help reduce inflammation and support prostate health. Before discussing the worst foods for prostate health, let's look at some nutrients that are beneficial for maintaining a healthy prostate. Antioxidants. Antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can damage cells. They are abundant in fruits and vegetables. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods can protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of diseases, including prostate cancer. Examples of antioxidants beneficial for the prostate include vitamins C and E, selenium, and lycopene. Lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit. Eating foods high in lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes, such as in tomato sauce, increases the availability of lycopene for the body to absorb. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are essential for overall health and hormone balance. Choosing healthy fat sources like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish such as salmon can provide necessary nutrients and reduce the risks associated with unhealthy fats. Regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids from oily fish is linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Fiber. Fiber, found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, supports digestive health and helps with weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is associated with a lower risk of prostate issues. High-fiber foods also help you feel full and manage blood sugar levels, reducing overall inflammation. Water. Staying hydrated helps flush out irritants and can reduce prostate discomfort caused by irritating foods like spices. By making thoughtful food choices and staying hydrated, you can support your prostate health and potentially lower the risk of related issues. So, what are the 9 worst foods for prostate health? Given the research, being aware of what we eat is crucial for keeping the prostate healthy. Now, let's look at the 10 worst foods for prostate health that men should reduce or stop eating. Remember, the information provided is for educational purposes only and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats can negatively impact prostate health for several reasons. They are high in unhealthy fats that lead to inflammation and contain excessive sodium, which can raise blood pressure and damage the prostate's blood supply. Preservatives like nitrites and nitrates in these meats form harmful compounds associated with prostate cancer, and cooking at high temperatures produces cancer-causing agents like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Examples of processed meats to avoid include hot dogs, bacon, sausages such as bratwurst, chorizo and kielbasa, salami, bologna, pepperoni, and heavily processed ham. Consuming these meats increases the risk of prostate cancer, heart problems, inflammation, and obesity. 2. Red meat. The connection between red meat consumption and prostate health is a topic of ongoing debate, but excessive intake can pose significant risks. Consuming large amounts of red meat, particularly processed and well-done varieties, has been linked to a higher risk of prostate cancer. This is due in part to the formation of cancer-causing agents like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons during high-temperature cooking. Additionally, red meat high in unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation throughout the body, potentially impacting prostate health. Hormones used in livestock farming may also disrupt male hormone balance, further affecting prostate health. To support better prostate health, it is advisable to limit or avoid processed red meats, such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats, as well as fatty cuts like ribeye and T-bone steaks. Consuming well-cooked and charred meat should also be minimized due to its carcinogenic potential. The impact of excessive red meat consumption extends beyond an increased risk of prostate cancer. It can also lead to widespread inflammation, including in the prostate, and contribute to obesity, which is associated with a higher risk of prostate issues. 3. High-fat dairy products. High-fat dairy products can be problematic for prostate health because they contain large amounts of unhealthy fats. These bad fats can lead to inflammation throughout the body, which, over time, may harm and irritate the prostate, increasing the risk of prostate issues. Some studies suggest that consuming high levels of bad fats can also affect hormone levels, particularly by increasing male hormones like testosterone. Elevated androgen levels could trigger the growth of prostate cells, raising the risk of prostate problems. To promote prostate health, it's important to be cautious with or limit the intake of high-fat dairy products such as whole milk, cream, butter, and certain cheeses like cheddar, Swiss, and brie. The saturated fats in these dairy products can contribute to the growth of prostate cells by raising androgen levels, leading to potential prostate issues. Additionally, bad fats are known to cause chronic inflammation, which can harm and irritate the prostate. Furthermore, consuming high-fat dairy products in excess can result in weight gain and obesity, which are known risk factors for prostate problems. 4. Sugary beverages. Drinking sugary beverages can contribute to prostate issues in several ways. These drinks are high in calories but don't provide satiety, leading to increased calorie intake and weight gain, which is a key risk factor for prostate problems. Excessive sugar consumption can also cause inflammation in the body, potentially exacerbating prostate issues such as prostate cancer. Additionally, sugary drinks can spike blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance, which is associated with chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and a higher risk of prostate problems. Common sources of added sugars in beverages include sodas and soft drinks, fruit juices, sports and energy drinks, sweetened teas, coffee and specialty coffee drinks, flavored water, and alcoholic beverages like cocktails and mixed drinks. 5. Trans fats. Trans fats are a type of dietary fat created through hydrogenation, where hydrogen is added to liquid vegetable oils to make them solid. This process is used in many processed and packaged foods to enhance shelf life, taste, and texture. Trans fats are found in partially hydrogenated oils, which are the primary source of lab-made trans fats and are present in baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries, as well as fried foods like French fries and fried chicken, and some margarines. Many fast food chains use trans fats in their frying oils, meaning items like French fries and chicken nuggets often contain them. Packaged snacks such as microwave popcorn, crackers, and chips may also have trans fats, as well as factory-made baked goods like pies, donuts, and various pastries. The negative effects of trans fats on prostate health are significant. They can cause inflammation, which may increase the risk of prostate issues, including cancer. They are also linked to heart disease, which can impair blood flow to the prostate, affecting its function. Additionally, trans fats may disrupt hormone balance, including testosterone levels, potentially impacting the growth and functioning of prostate cells. To detect and avoid trans fats, Check food labels for partially hydrogenated oils, even if the product claims 0 grams of trans fat, due to labeling rules that allow small amounts. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally low in trans fats and reduce intake of processed and fast foods that may contain these harmful fats. By making these changes, you can support better prostate health and overall well-being. 6. Too much salt. A high-sodium diet can negatively impact prostate health in several ways. Consuming too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, which might affect the blood supply to the prostate and hinder its proper functioning. Additionally, a high salt intake can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate, thereby increasing the risk of prostate issues such as prostate cancer. Excessive salt consumption also stresses the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering waste and balancing electrolytes, potentially affecting overall metabolic health and, in turn, the prostate. Common sources of high salt intake include processed and packaged foods like canned soups, sauces, and prepackaged meals, which contain large amounts of salt for flavor and preservation. Fast foods such as burgers, fries, and fried chicken, as well as salty snacks like chips, pretzels, and salted nuts, are significant contributors to high salt intake. Even condiments like ketchup, soy sauce, and salad dressings can be high in sodium. To support prostate and overall health, it is crucial to monitor and reduce salt intake. Checking food labels for lower sodium options, cooking at home to control salt usage, and using herbs and spices for flavor can help. Limiting processed and fast foods is also important, as these are often loaded with salt. Additionally, drinking plenty of water can help flush out irritants and reduce discomfort. By making these adjustments, you can better manage your salt intake and support your prostate health. 7. Refined carbohydrates. The connection between refined carbohydrates and prostate health lies in the negative effects these carbs can have on overall well-being, potentially increasing the risk of prostate issues. Refined carbohydrates digest quickly, causing sudden spikes in blood sugar, which triggers the release of insulin. Over time, a diet high in refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance, where the body becomes less responsive to insulin, which is linked to chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and a higher risk of prostate problems. This insulin response can also disrupt hormone balance, affecting male hormones like testosterone, potentially stimulating the growth of prostate cells and contributing to prostate issues. Additionally, refined carbohydrates are calorie-dense but lack fiber, leading to overeating without feeling full, which can result in weight gain and obesity, further increasing the risk of prostate problems. Common sources of refined carbohydrates include white bread, white rice, pasta made from refined wheat flour, baked goods like cakes, cookies, muffins, and pastries, and sugary cereals that use processed grains and added sugars. These foods, often stripped of natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals, can negatively impact prostate health by causing frequent blood sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance and hormonal imbalances that may encourage prostate cell growth, while also contributing to obesity, a known risk factor for prostate issues. 8. Artificial sweeteners. The potential impact of artificial sweeteners on prostate health is still under investigation, with some studies suggesting a possible connection. Artificial sweeteners might influence hormone levels, potentially disrupting the balance of male hormones like testosterone, which could impact prostate health and contribute to the development of prostate conditions. Additionally, while these sweeteners are often used to help control weight and blood sugar levels, there is evidence that they may cause metabolic changes such as insulin resistance and glucose intolerance. These metabolic changes can affect overall health, including the health of the prostate. Common artificial sweeteners include aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, asulfame, potassium, ACE-K, and stevia, a natural zero-calorie sweetener. 9. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can sometimes irritate the prostate, especially when consumed in excess, leading to discomfort or a sudden need to urinate in some men. While spicy foods aren't a direct cause of prostate problems, it's important to be aware of the potential discomfort they can cause to the urinary and prostate areas. To enjoy spicy foods while minimizing possible issues, consider these tips: consume spicy foods in moderation and avoid extremely hot dishes if they tend to cause discomfort. Know your spice tolerance and adjust the level of spice in your meals accordingly. And balance your intake of spicy foods with nutrient-rich, whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains.